Naggikan sa Iloilo tungod sa bukari mo. Naggikan sa ngalan Kamando kag nangin ngayon. Ang tawag sa imo tungod sa bugana mga guta. Nangin matawhay ang amon pagpangita. Palang abuhian ng ibugana. Kaing festival padayunon tungod sa imo layon. Ikaw ang dayawon, hatagan bugal ang ngalan mo. I-celebrar ang Kaing festival, magugyaw nagpangibabaw layon. Ikaw ang dayawon, hatagan bugal ang ngalan mo. I-celebrar ang Kaing festival, magugyaw nagpangibabaw.
Good day everyone. Today I will discuss the history of Leon Town, Iloilo. The municipality of Leon, Iloilo was originally called Kamando, established in 1730 under the leadership of Bernabe Boncag, its first gobernador Silo. Due to frequent flooding in Kamando, the town was transferred in 1866 to a safer area called Sitio Capan. The town was later renamed Leon in honor of Leon, Spain, the hometown of the parish priest Father Agustin Castro. Even after the name change, many residents keep surnames beginning with the letter C, a result of the 1849 decree of Gobernador General Claveria. 1730, founded as Kamando. 1849, Claveria surname system implemented. 1866, town transferred and renamed Leon. 1869, construction of the large stone church. 1802, first municipal election. 1942, free government of Panay established in Bukari during World War II. Leon played an important role during World War II as a center of resistance against Japanese force. Bernabe Boncag, first Gobernador Silo of Kamando, considered the founder of the town. Father Agustin Castro, parish priest who suggested transferring the town, inspired the name Leon after his hometown in Spain. Tomas Confesor, a Filipino senator and resistant leader, established the free government of Panay and Romblon in Bukari during World War II, helped keep the area free from Japanese control. These individuals contributed to the town's development, leadership, and historical importance. Leon is a municipality located in the province of Iloilo on Panay Island. Location and land area about 28 to 36 km from Iloilo City. Total land area around 14,020 hectares. Iloilo Provincial Government. Topography: combination of plains, hills, and mountains. Mountainous areas found near borders with Antique Province. Population: around 52,000 plus people. Recent estimates. Economy and livelihood: known as the vegetable basket of Iloilo. Main livelihood: agriculture, vegetables, rice, corn. Leon has a rich and vibrant culture influenced by history, religion, and agriculture. Festivals: Kaing Festival celebrates agricultural abundance. Handuraw Celebration, cultural and historical event. Town Fiesta, November 25, in honor of Saint Catherine of Alexandria. Language: main language, Hiligaynon, Ilonggo. Foods: fresh vegetables, cabbage, carrots, beans, etc. Local Ilonggos dishes like laswa, kanse, and native delicacies. Tourist attractions: Bucari Mountain Range, known as the summer capital of Iloilo. Pine forest, waterfalls, and cool climate ideal for tourism. Unique features: cold climate similar to Baguio, strong agricultural identity, friendly and hospitable community.